I went from being homeless in my teens to being a government engineer. Today, I make $3,000 a month running my own business. I'm Michelle, and this is Vera Noire. To be honest, people with my background don't usually make it this far. In my teens, I was sleeping in a basement of a burned down house. It had no electricity. I was sleeping on an air mattress, washing cars, and working in fast food just to get by. But during all of that, I never stopped going to school. I told myself I will never be homeless again. 3 degrees later, I became a mechanical engineer, and I even interned at NASA. You would think that that would be the dream coming right out of college for any engineering student. That job took up a lot of my energy and time. It was draining me physically and mentally. And I had just got married, and I wanted to start a family. So I quit my government job last year. It was a little scary at first to leave. I started with the tabletop laser, the M1, from my NASA days. When I saw the P2S was when I realized that I wanted to expand on material, different mediums, and I can cut acrylic, I can do large projects, and that quickly went from becoming a hobby only to a full-time business that I run now. This gives me that creative outlet that I really yearn for, something that allows me to be creative and still incorporate engineering into what I do. I knew immediately when I saw a machine that it was going to change my life, and it did. The P2S, so intuitive that anyone can learn it. A lot of planning goes into the projects that I do. I get to really talk to my customers. And the more customized something is, the more fun I get to have. To make their visions come to life is really fulfilling for me, and knowing that I did that. A single wedding collection can bring in $1,500, and I produced all of it in-house on my P2S. So I made my investment back within the first 2 months. I started this business less than a year ago, and it's already taken off, and it's just growing exponentially at this point. Now I make sales every day, but the real reward, when I go to pack it up to ship it, or I go to hand it in and seeing the face on the person that receives it, is knowing that I helped build a day that they will remember forever. So compared to working a traditional job, it feels like freedom. I'm able to spend time with my husband and my dogs. We want kids soon, and now I can be home for them and still do what I love. So that's why I went for it. Through all of it, somehow there was still always a door opening for me.